Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to take you on a journey to an amazing art exhibition called The Beating Heart of the Earth. This exhibition was held in Kooshk Bagh Honar in Tehran. This event was organized in honor of National Clean Air Day and featured 62 artists. Let's explore the beauty of this event together. It was a beautiful snowy day in Tehran, which made the experience even more magical. As I entered the building, I was amazed by its traditional Iranian architecture. The detailed designs and the peaceful atmosphere made the experience even more special. The exhibition began with an opening ceremony where we enjoyed a warm welcome, followed by insightful speeches by Master Jalaluddin Sakha, a distinguished calligrapher, photographer, and a journalist, as well as Dr. Mojde Mostafi Tawana, an expert in traditional doll making. Now let's step inside the exhibition and see the wonderful artworks. The exhibition featured many beautiful paintings and artworks, all centered around nature and the environment. Artists participated with themes of flowers, landscapes, and the beauty of our planet. One of the most interesting parts of the exhibition was the use of recycled materials. Artists had created stunning paintings, handmade dolls, and even restored old dolls, giving them a second life. I was honored to participate in this exhibition with my own painting. A watercolor painting featuring a daisy flower pot and a basket of blueberries. I carefully chose these elements to represent the purity and simplicity of nature, aligning with the exhibition's theme. Seeing my artwork displayed among so many inspiring pieces was a truly fulfilling experience. Visitors stopped to admire the details of my painting, and I had the chance to engage in conversations about my artistic process, techniques, and emotions behind my work. It was heartwarming to connect with fellow artists and art lovers who share a deep appreciation for nature. At the end of the exhibition, I was delighted to receive a certificate. Holding that certificate in my hands was not just a recognition of my work, but a reminder of how art can serve a bridge between creativity and environmental awareness. On the final day of the exhibition, two fascinating workshops were held. One was led by Aframoss Company, where participants learned how to create green walls using natural moss. The second workshop focused on making traditional Mexican corn husk dolls. This exhibition was a fantastic experience, showcasing the connection between art and environmental awareness. I hope you enjoyed this tour. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more arts-related content. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.